So I'm going to show you how I take my hair from this to this. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tilson here. In this video today I'll be showing you how I create this gorgeous curls, this gorgeous hair look, and I'll be going through this with you guys step to step so you can see how to create this quick and easy curly hair look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video and get this started. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you love it, and kindly subscribe to my channel down below because I'll be posting each and every week going forward. And let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching. So I'm starting off my natural hair. I went ahead and washed it and I blow dried it. That's why I look very stretched out. Really come a long way, guys, with my hair, and I can't wait to show you guys more what I've been up to. My hair is growing so much over the few years now, and yeah, so this look I'm going to be creating is very simple, very easy, very quick. I like to use my clip-ins. The center part, I feel like the center part look more natural, but you can pretty much do it the way you want. You can do a side part if you like, or whichever way you prefer. Or you can do it all back, because I've seen people do it like pretty much all back. And so I'm going to do the center part one, and I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. I'm just leaving out the one that I am going to be leaving out with the clip-in. I don't really leave a lot out, to be honest. So take a bit of my hair on both sides. Once I've like secured my center part, just like to go ahead and just take a piece out like that on each side. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly cut this out. So I'm just going to make sure that it's all even on each side like that, pretty much even. Then I want this clip-in to look as natural as possible. I'm now going to go ahead and leave a tiny piece out right there on the sides. In case I want to put it up, I can do that. Actually, let me just put this up so that I don't. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. So this is the part I'm leaving over, and then the two sides. What I usually do, I use these two products to kind of curl it up a bit to make it look blendable with my clip-in. So I use the Cantu Shea Butter pomade. So then I use the Gatsby Ultra Blue. I like the clear one. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a bit of the pomade on my hair. So I don't want it to be dry. I don't want it to be flaky. Put that pomade on both sides. Then I'm taking a little bit of this glue, and then I'm going to apply that right on my hair. So once that is done, you can see it's already like forming the curl a bit. I'm not going to go ahead and braid it down very tiny. Once I've braided it almost there, just like to go ahead and twist that together. So pretty much the sides are done, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did. Applying the pomade first, then go ahead and apply the Ultra Blue. I'm just going to go ahead and braid that up. So now I'm done with my leave out. I'm just gonna go ahead and braid my hair now, and I'll be right back. So now that I'm done braiding my hair, the back side is now laid. Everything is nice and flat. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on the clip-ins. I'll be using Groovy Beauty hair, and they were kind enough to pop in a lash for me. This is 100% virgin human hair and is natural color, and I have two bundles here, 18 and 16, and this is a kinky curly hair. You can see how gorgeous these curls look. It's very tight and it feels very nice. I'm also going to go ahead and wash it up a bit so that it can loosen up the curl more and just make it look fuller. So here are the clip-ins. I washed them and I hung them up and to air dry, and this is how it turned out. This is really good to do because it helps the hair be a bit more loose and blending very well with your own hair and look more natural with your own hair. It's always good to give it like a nice wash, not too hard, very lightly. I'm going to use shampoo and also conditioner just to wash it so I can loosen up the curls a bit more. That's what I went ahead and did the day before, and this is how it actually looks now. It really looks really nice. I actually love how the curls are now. It's not too tight, it's a bit loose. I know definitely it's going to blend real well with my hair. And also I noticed that once I washed it, it became a bit more lengthier than when I just started. I can actually like stretch it a bit when you wash it. So it's always important to wash your clip-ins first, or any even curly hair. It will actually blend more with your own hair and make it look more natural. So let's go ahead and start applying this on my hair. As you remember, I got the 16 and 18. So I'm going to start off with the 18 first and work my way up. I don't know, like now that I washed it, they all kind of look a bit the same in like length size. They both look the same now. It's not much of a difference when it comes to lengthwise, or when I stretch it out, it's pretty much almost the same kind of length. Yeah, I can't really tell like a big difference from it. Well, I can see it now once I put it together. I think this is the 18, this is the 16. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the 18 first. So we're going to go ahead and start applying that on. Alright, there. Put that in. Very easy, very quick. I'm going to add this two now. I'm making my way up to the sides now. As you put it down, you make sure you put it down like it's secure. So this is one half and this is 18. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start off with the 16 inches. I want to make sure I leave the smaller pieces for when I get up here. So I'm going to put that in. I want to make sure I leave two small pieces for the top part of the hair. I'm not going to use this in the middle, so I'm going to use the long ones. So the two pieces that I saved for the front part, just going to go ahead and pop this on. Hey, so far so good. Loving this. Now let's go ahead and take off the braids in the front and on the sides. First, I'm just going to go ahead and put this away. See how nice and curly that looks. So I want it to look as natural as possible. I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers and just open up the curls a bit more. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and apply my styling shine foaming mousse. Yeah, it just helps with the curls a bit more. Give it a nice body, nice volume into your hair. You can always open it up more if you like, but I think I like it like this. I like it on lips. Sure. By the way, I'll leave everything down below in the description box. Every product I'm using, also the hair, where you can get it from. I'm going to be using the gummy styling wax to style my edges. Just applying a little bit. So guys, here is the finished look of this hair. Very gorgeous, well laid, and it actually looks so natural. It looks like my own hair. Ah! And I love it. I love how this turned out. Like, this is my first time. Actually, yeah, it's actually my first time using clip-ins. I've never used it before. But guys, there is the finished look. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I love it. I enjoy creating this look for you guys. I love this hair. Don't forget to check them out. Groovy Beauty Hair. Well, this is a nice clip-in. Like you're gonna go and just want something quick and easy to do to your hair. I would definitely recommend this clip-ins. They're really nice. They feel very gorgeous. They feel very natural. They blend really nice with my own hair, and I love how they turned out. Like, I pretty much had minimum shedding. I really didn't have a lot of shedding. Even after I washed it and I conditioned it, I still was able to get like a nice defined curls with these. And I love how it turned out. Yeah. I'll leave the link to this hair down below in the description box, so check them out. Groovy Beauty Hair. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. I'll be posting a lot of videos coming soon, and I'll be posting them each and every week, so I'll be on the lookout for my videos. So don't forget to subscribe, and everything I use, all the hair products that I use will be linked down below. Also, I have a lot of products on my Amazon store. If you like to shop my hair stuff that I use for my natural hair, I will leave a link down below to my Amazon store, so check it out. Thanks guys, bye!